Hey guys, Infamous here. I did like 4 different videos on Halloween, and what did I do? I opened those 8 chests, I got nothing good. I did a bunch of fusions of all 8 of those armors and a bunch more that I had saved up from top 100 wars. And something new just came out just a little bit ago. Oh, and by the way, from the fusions, the only thing I got was Explorer's Piecemeal right there. Other than that, I got this. I went top 50 for Techno for fun. I got this. My guild, we saw the Raid Blitz. That's a new thing. This one is from like a year ago. I do remember this raid. It's the 4th raid ever. I remember the first one was the Horde. And here's the thing. Last time I checked it, I had been 8th. But I guess I went down to 13th. Which isn't that nice at all. And here it goes. There it is. Me. I got 9,000. I spent 10 gems at the end to try to get to 9 million. What am I talking about? Okay, we spent 10 gems to get to 9 million. My guild was going relaxed for whatever. We didn't care. We've never done this before, and we got rank 33. There were no minimums, and we did level 3s. I was hitting 210,000 at the highest, 199,000 at the lowest, and it was pretty fun. Check this out. Rank 7, right there. KS, Mask of Vulcan. King Sages, that's my family guild. He went on, I'm pretty sure he went on free energy. He has a couple of sets. And yeah, he's coming with me, which is a surprise. As you see, I have 840 gems. With my guild, I am going on a top 10 push. First one ever. And it's going to be in this raid. I don't know the elements are. I don't know what the elements are, but I'm going anyway. And yeah, that's happening. So no matter what the elements are, I'm going to end up going anyway. I'm hoping, everyone says there's water something, water air, water spirit. I want it to be water spirit, even though I have chaotic plus. I still would rather have it be water spirit. Because, as you know, I have 3 harmonics. And I have pelagic playmail. Sure. And I have the Brightwind playmail. I fused away my peacock armor in an attempt to get judges, because the only air fire I currently have is Firestorm Vanguard Plus. I got this from the, whatever it's called, the Heroic. I didn't go for the Plus. I probably need it. These are my only 2 Air Earth armors. I got this, as I already said. What could I enhance? Nothing. I'm going to save for the Dragon Forged. Yeah. So, I'm going top 10. I'm just really excited about that. That's this weekend. I don't know how much hitting I'm actually going to have to do. I'm hoping to only use like 600 gems at the most. I wouldn't really like to spend too much, because I'd like to open tons of fusion boost chests at the end for help to level the Dragon Forged. But I kind of want to use, but at the same time, I kind of want to use all my gems and maybe see if I can get like top 50 or top 100 in personal rewards. I really want Angelic Battle. Angelic Battle? Man, I have no idea. Angelic, that's what it is. Angelic Plus. I want that. Could get it. And that's another reason why I don't want it to be an air-water raid, because if it's an air-water raid, I could Angelic might end up being a top 25. That would suck really badly. So, oh yeah, I'm still deciding, well, right now, thinking back, if I only end up spending about 200 gems, I'd like to keep saving and try to save up as many gems as I can, maybe get like 300, 350, and then go for a top 25 for Angelic. Maybe I'll only use 500 gems, who knows. And then, yeah. Well, this is the new epic boss, and by the looks of this, I'm hoping it's not an air water raid. I'm pretty sure it's a water raid. And at the beginning of the epic boss, I was rank 2 in the first 10 minutes. Then I went down to like 17th. And after that, I don't know what happened. I'm just going to start saving these now. For my Dragon Forged. Do I have any fusion boosts left? Nope. I used them all on raptors. I used all my water fusion boosts and everything on raptors. Yeah. Well, guys, I guess this is it. I will be making a video probably Sunday. I might even end up making this one over again because my recording app is so bad. Like, it's been really bad. I don't even know if you can see this right now or anything, but like, it's really bad. All these things, like those Halloween right there. Yeah, I did. Told you I recorded on Halloween, and it didn't work. These I don't need. Yeah, Halloween. I recorded like 3 different times trying to do something. None of them worked. Well, this is Infamous signing off. See you in the next Knights and Dragons video.